Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can add a contact form in our tabs. Here you can see this is my demo website and here I have added a Divi tab module. So these are some tabs. Just click here on tab title 2 and tab title 3. So here we have some text. Now we want to add a contact form here. So first of all we can log in into our website. Let's add /wp-admin to log in into our Divi WordPress website. Now let's go to dashboard, and after that here you can see in the Divi, just go to Divi library. So that we need to create a module. Just click here, and after that here we can select module. Then here we can give a name, for example contact form 1. And after that let's click submit. So make sure that you have updated your Divi WordPress theme if this Divi builder is not loading for you. And now let's select build on front end. After that here you can see Divi builder is loading. Now let's click here plus icon, and after that search for contact form. So now you can add here email address where you want to receive emails for your contact form. And after that let's click on 3 dots, then save it. Now we need to go back in the Divi theme library. So let's go back and click here Divi library. Now here you can see this is the layout for a module. So now we need to add a shortcode here. So let's go to plugins and search for Divi shortcodes. So these are the free plugins in the WordPress library. So let's install one of these. And after that let's refresh this page. Alright, here you can see we got this code for this template. Just copy it, and after that let's reload the page and enable Divi Fuel Builder. Here you can see Divi Builder is loading. After that now let's scroll down, and here in the tab section let's click on the tab settings. Also we can choose double click option, and then here you can see these are all 3 tabs. Now click on the settings, then scroll down. Here we can remove this text, then here we can add a shortcode, then save, and after that click here 3 dots, then save. Now let's reload the page. Scroll down and click tab title 2. So here you can see in the tab section we have added a contact form in our Divi WordPress website. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.